It's like, problem is, this is allergies. Allergies is all. I don't have COVID, promise. I promise I don't have COVID. I don't have it at all. So, hey sugar, how's about a date? I can have a date with me. Give you a discounted rate. Okay, I promise I will. Give you a discounted rate. And I'll even give you extra 5 minutes on the job. I'm talking date sugar.